This is going to be today's video review for Wednesday, July 15th, 2015 for Drummond Energy bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. What edge or lean do you trade with, and do you trust it? There are an awful lot of leans out there, and it can be really confusing for traders. What is a lean anyway? Stephen Covey says, if the ladder is not leaning against the right wall, every step we take just gets us to the wrong place faster. So it's a strong wall to lean against for support, right? Let's take a look at some examples of what strong walls are being used for traders today. There are blurry math lines. Didn't seem to hold here or here. This one didn't hold here. Now in this example, this is a strong wall to lean on. Then of course there's those Fibonacci lines. This one didn't quite hold that well, kind of dropped down here and here. Now this looks like another strong wall to lean on. And you know, order flow is a great way to read prices, but can you really see what the crowd is doing in a larger sense? By looking at the crowd, we don't limit ourselves by just looking at one of the participants. There's a new kid on the technical analysis block. It's called Visual Energy Analysis, and it's simple, precise, and profound. Let's take a look at some examples of visual energy analysis. You'll notice on the left chart we're pointing with a green up arrow to a level of support known in advance, drawn here on our right chart with the up magenta arrow. As price associates with it on the green bar here, close on the high there, we can elect long. The market rallies, and you can see that there are two down pink arrows on the right. Our bars stay green, and those levels that are drawn on our left chart, drawn with pink arrows down on the left chart here and here, are the same levels here on our right chart. Those levels are not acting like a good lean, and our bars on the right chart are green to show it. The down purple arrow on the right chart is the exact same level known in advance shown here on our left chart. This arrow should be magenta, and that is a strong lean. You can see that here on our red bar we can elect short for that lean, and the market does in fact go down. As price goes down here to our left chart, we've got a green up arrow for this level known in advance, drawn here on our right chart in the up magenta with the up magenta arrow. On this green bar close on the high, we can elect long to trade from our strong lean that is in fact a strong lean. You'll notice as price goes up on the left chart, I'm pointing to a potential strong lean of resistance drawn here on our right chart. Does that look like it's a strong lean to you? For us, because of the green bars, it's a no-brainer to understand that that lean is not acting like resistance, and price does continue on up higher. So as price does go higher, it retraces back down into our up green arrow, this resistance turning into support. You'll notice again price goes above, pulls back. This is that same line here on our trade chart. You'll notice the green bar in fact confirms that the resistance has turned into support. As price goes higher here, it pulls back again into our resistance, turned into strong support. You can see on our right chart we've drawn it here with the green up arrow. As you can tell on our green bar, it is showing us that this resistance turned into support has become strong and the market goes higher. You'll notice on the left chart the market goes higher, pulls back into this resistance turned into support again, shown here on our right chart with this pink line. But you'll notice that if the trader is aware, as the market rallies, it is putting in a crest, and this crest is drawn here on the right chart along with the crest that's put on the trade chart, the right chart, this would be a great place to be looking for a strong lean of resistance to take a short with on the close of this red bar. You notice as price falls down into these levels known in advance, this green up arrow on the left chart along with the white up arrow is one of the trades that we teach in the Master of the Universe course called the Power Mid Trade. On the trade chart on the right, you can see price associating with those two leans and giving us a potential to get long on this green bar close right here. This is what we call a AAA buy, and the market continues up, and we teach in the Masters of the Universe course how to manage our trade. So we're going to end it there for today's video review. Visual energy analysis is a great new tool for any trader, whether they're experienced or new to the market, because it's so simple. We're looking at the energy of the market in an incredible way to see the pattern recognition of the crowd. If you're interested, please send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. And thank you for listening.